Nothing can compare to the typing experience that mechanical keyboards provide, regardless of whether you are a gamer or a professional creative. These keyboards that are constructed with high-quality plastic key switches underneath each of the keycaps have the potential to be more comfortable to type on, more resilient, and more adaptable to the user's preferences. Today's video will examine 10 top mechanical keyboards that can transform your keyboard experience. Suppose you are looking for a mechanical or gaming keyboard that is bright, quiet, and satisfying to type on all day long without waking the neighbors. In that case, any of these options will work for you. Number 10. Pro 2. The Pro 2 is a stunning 10-keyless keyboard that comes packed with a ton of different features. This mechanical keyboard offers a wide variety of customization options, including the availability of multiple Cherry, Gateron, and Kale switches, making it a well-liked selection among owners of mechanical keyboards. The 2 Pro keyboard is well made with 60% fewer keys than a standard keyboard, which means it lacks the numpad, arrow, and F keys. The keys and case can be either black or white, depending on your preference, giving it a streamlined appearance overall. Another of Pro 2's great features is the ease with which it allows you to switch between the 4 different Bluetooth devices to which it can simultaneously connect. This feature is fantastic if you intend to connect your keyboard to multiple devices, such as your personal computer, cell phone, TV, or computer at work, and switch between them whenever you like. It is well known for its wireless capabilities and exceptional quality at an affordable price of $89. Number 9. EPOMAKER LITE. The EPOMAKER LITE, also known as the Skylone GK61S LITE, is a stylish mechanical keyboard with a 60% size that costs $100. It has an extremely low noise level. The keyboard's distinctive shallow gasket design, in which a 2mm silicone pad is placed between the keyboard's steel plate and the PCB, is responsible for the soft key feel that the keyboard provides. This provides a cushioned landing for each key. Combined with sound-absorbing foam, it significantly reduces the noise that would normally be associated with typing on a mechanical keyboard. I like how this keyboard looks, with keycaps colored in retro-inspired shades of yellow or red and a sturdy aluminum chassis. A robust set of features includes wired and wireless connectivity, hot-swappable switches, and software compatible with PC and Mac computers. It is unusual to see something original and innovative in the keyboard industry. This unconventional indie keyboard is worth checking out if you can handle the somewhat limiting 60% size layout. DUCKY 1-3. Within the community of mechanical gaming keyboards, DUCKY has a reputation that is second to none. Even in this day and age of glitzy keyboards covered in blinking lights, it has maintained its no-nonsense design philosophy, which it refers to as quack mechanics. The DUCKY 1-3 Fuji is a great example of an increasingly stylized and colorful DUCKY performing at the top of its game. Fuji is the name of the most recent iteration of DUCKY's flagship keyboard, which is available in various color schemes and design iterations. Isn't it stunning to look at? The legend printed on each key is coordinated with the key's color and with the legends printed on the other keys. The DUCKY's keycaps are all fashioned from a durable PBT plastic material. PBT plastic, unlike ABS plastic, tends to last longer, is resistant to stains, and prevents the rubbing away of its color-matched legends. You have a few options to pick from because the Cherry MX switches equipped with the 1-3 come in various colors and textures. Number 7. LEOPOLD FC900R. The LEOPOLD FC900R keyboard is a good option if you would rather have a number pad integrated into the device, in addition to being available with any of the most common switch types and a few different PBT keycap sets. This larger version has the same superb build quality that is noticeable when you are typing. Similar to the 10-keyless model, this one also features a detachable mini USB cable and is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. You can enjoy this mechanical keyboard for just $124. Number 6. CORSAIR K95 Platinum XT. The full-fat version of the K95 Platinum XT keyboard costs $169. It has a plush wrist rest, super programmable RGB backlighting, and edge lighting that can reflect in-game stats. The keyboard has dedicated macro, volume, media controls, and a USB port. The typing experience has not been neglected either, as evidenced by the availability of a diverse set of switches. These switches include the uncommon MX speed options and the more common cherry switches. The keyboard is also well built, featuring an aluminum chassis and keycaps made of polybutylene terephthalate PBT, both of which should provide outstanding durability. Number 5. KEYCHRON Q3. Invest in the KEYCHRON Q3 keyboard if you are willing to spend up to $184 on a device you can tinker with. The Q3 excels in the fundamentals. Not only does it feel great to type on, but its heavy aluminum chassis and fully programmable RGB backlighting make it look stylish. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac, and it includes additional keycaps for each of their respective operating systems. However, the Q3's extra features, including full programmability with the user-friendly VIA software, hot swappable switches, and an optional knob that automatically controls volume, set it apart for the money. These features let you replace old switch types with new ones while avoiding the need for soldering. The build quality of the Q3 is exceptional, and you have your choice of 3 different keycap color options: charcoal black, navy blue, or silver gray. Suppose you already own switches and keycaps or would rather purchase them independently. In that case, KEYCHRON also offers a bare-bones version of their keyboard. Number 4. ROCCAT PYRO. Despite being a gaming keyboard, the ROCCAT PYRO is still an excellent mechanical keyboard for any application, especially considering its $209 price. It is equipped with some TTC red switches, which are among the very best Cherry MX red clones that are currently available. Thanks to a 45cN force, it has a light and quick key press that makes working in general and playing CS enjoyable. Even when subjected to extreme force, the PYRO's deck and chassis exhibit virtually no flex or bend, which is a testament to its overall construction quality. It has a metal top plate, which not only makes it durable, but also gives it a rather sleek appearance. There is also some vivid RGB lighting present. Number 3. Logitech G915 TKL. The Logitech G915 TKL is precisely what it sounds like, a version of the excellent Logitech G915 that lacks the 10-key row. The G915 TKL is a fashionable and pricey peripheral device. Additionally, it is among the few high-quality wireless mechanical gaming keyboards currently available. The G915 TKL, like other models from Logitech, benefits from having excellent key switches, user-friendly software, and a durable design. You will still have access to discrete media controls. There is RGB backlighting included underneath each key, which of course can be customized to a single color, dialed down, or turned off entirely, depending on your personal preference. It is possible to switch between Bluetooth and LIGHTSPEED connections with the press of a button, which makes it a convenient companion for a smartphone, iPad, or laptop that does not have a full-size USB port. While the G915 TKL costs $210, many people believe that the cost is justified. Despite its thin design, the G915 TKL's aluminum alloy body feels incredibly sturdy. It has softly rounded edges and a cozy zero-friction quantity roller in the top right corner. Number 2. Mountain Everest Max. The Mountain Everest Max costs $227 and is a customizable keyboard in the truest sense of the word. It possesses a multi-part design and provides a unique level of customizability. The centerpiece is a TKL keyboard, to which 3 more components can be attached: a numpad with 4 LCD keys designed in the style of a Stream Deck, a piece that acts as a multifunction LCD wheel and media controls, and a palm rest. The Everest Max provides all of the components in a single box, in addition to a small number of additional switches. Since all of the switches on this model are hot swappable, you are free to install any switch of your choosing, and magnetically attached to discs that allow the user to adjust the angle of the keyboard. Because of its LCD keys and its compatibility with the Basecamp software, the EVEREST Max can be a viable substitute for the Stream Deck Mini when it comes to controlling scenes in OBS. The EVEREST Max is an extremely convincing all-in-one solution. Number 1. ASUS ROG CLAYMORE 2. The ASUS ROG CLAYMORE 2 is an innovative mechanical keyboard that retails for $209 and features a fascinating design-based party piece in the form of a modular keyboard. This enables you to change the keyboard's layout to include an extra number pad in addition to the standard TKL keyboard. This allows you to use it in a variety of different configurations. In addition, the battery life of the CLAYMORE 2 is respectable for a wireless mechanical board that includes a plethora of extra features. Compared to other premium boards, such as the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro, it has a lifespan of approximately 40 hours when the backlighting is turned up, and almost 4 times longer than other premium boards. The CLAYMORE 2's backlighting is bright and crisp, which is an important point to consider. The mechanical keyboard is one of the most rapidly expanding gaming and PC accessories areas. Which of these keyboards will you go for? Let us know in the comments section below. That will be all for today's video. Thanks for staying tuned. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can always get to watch more amazing videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye.